You've been introduced to the general process of hypothesis testing. It's time to learn how to test your own hypothesis. You will always be interpreting p-values, regardless of the inferential test that you use. The specific statistical test that you use to evaluate your hypotheses will depend on the type of explanatory and response variables that you have chosen.
These are some bivariate statistical tools and the situations in which you use them. The term bivariate here refers to two variables, explanatory and response. If you have a categorical explanatory variable and a quantitative response variable, you would use an analysis of variance, Anova, as your inferential test. If you have a categorical explanatory variable and your response variable is also categorical, you would use the chi-square test of independence as your inferential test. If both your explanatory and response variables are quantitative, you would use a correlation coefficient as your inferential test. If your explanatory variable is quantitative and your response variable is categorical, you would categorize your explanatory variable with only two levels and then use the chi-square test of independence as your inferential test.